Hi you guys, Nick for WhippyRC. So they finally came. The Gens Ace bashing series. Repower your passion. It's the 5200 milliamp 40C burst 3S lipo. And it looks a little bit like this. So they seem quite small actually, much smaller than I'm used to. I actually have here a lipo that I used on my first Gen eRevo. It's the LORC 5000 milliamp 35C burst. So for a little bit of a size comparison, the Gen Ace are pretty darn small, so it won't have a problem fitting in the battery trays of the new eRevo. I will be using the spacer, I think. So you guys, these guys are going to power my eRevo, and I sure hope that 40C is going to be enough. It's not that much. I actually did my first soldering yesterday. Quite a challenge, but I think I did all right. So let's hope they work. And we will soon be bashing the new eRevo. So thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.